Today, we will be making one of those action figure box dolls that is trending all over the internet. I am sure you have seen one of these super cool AI dolls all over your Instagram feed while scrolling. These miniature dolls resembling the creator themselves look super cute, and creator can customize it by including items like AirPods, a matcha latte, books, etc. The amazing thing is, you can make one for yourselves for free. All you need are three things: a ChatGPT account, your headshot, and a ChatGPT prompt. Let's start by going into our ChatGPT account. After logging in, click the plus button to upload your headshot from your device. After that, enter the following prompt. Keep in mind that you should update the prompt that matches your personality. The prompt I am going to enter is crafted for my personality. Here it is. Draw an action figure toy of the person in this photo. The figure should be a full figure and displayed in its original blister pack. She always has her computer, her smartphone, her schedule, and her coffee mug with her. Her name is Jessica, and she is a digital marketer. Please have the doll's name on the front of the box. Then click Enter. As you can see, ChatGPT has created an action figure that looks like me with items I use on a day-to-day basis. This is so cool. I wish I could buy something like this from a store. So, are you going to try the prompt yourself? Please let me know in the comments below what you created and whether this prompt has been a good help for you. I will see you in another video.